Guys, what's up? Today we are going to be cleaning and decorating this bathroom, which is actually our guest bathroom, and I'm so excited because I've had decor on the floor for the longest. I finally found the last piece that I needed for this wall yesterday, so I finally get to film this video for you guys. As you can see, it's not a large bathroom at all. I'm standing in front of the vanity right here, but it's not large, so luckily I don't need a ton of stuff to decorate it. Since we're renting, I can't paint the walls or like change light fixtures and stuff out, so I'm just gonna work my way around it just to make it a little bit more welcoming because it's so plain, so plain. So if you enjoy it, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick run through of all of the things that I bought for the bathroom. I purchased these 2 rugs right here. I knew I wanted a bold print for the bathroom. I love these rugs, and I got them in the regular rug aisle at Target. I got this plant holder from the Target Dollar Spot. I got this jar right here from Home Goods, and I think this is actually Christmas decor, but I'm just gonna keep it year round because I love it. I got this basket from the Hearth and Hand line at Target. It's really sturdy. This is an amber lotion bottle that I'm gonna actually put soap in. This is a marble tray that I got from Walmart not too long ago. I've had a few of these in the house, and I recently got one for this bathroom. Then onto this wall shelf, which I really love. I got this at Target, and as soon as I seen it, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. So I got this greenery from Target. These were about $3 a piece in the dollar section. This is a white wooden letterboard, and this is the last thing I purchased for the bathroom not too long ago at Home Goods. I love it because the letters are big and bold, and they're actually wooden, and all you do is just sit them up there, and you could just put whatever you want on it, and I love that about it. And I just like the worn in look of the white wood. And believe it or not, that's all the stuff that I'm going to be putting in this bathroom, so let's get started.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.